As crazy as we think SPY is, SPY doesn't look so crazy right now, does it?
Coach, SPY is crazy today.
Yeah, it's wild. But let's review this real quick. So, as crazy as we think SPY is, right? As crazy as we think it is, if you guys break this down on a slower scale, 2-minute EWO gang, SPY doesn't look so crazy right now, does it?
Rock solid.
No.
Yeah, exactly. The reason is, if you guys look at this, here, I'll make it so you can see it. This is my buy-in for SPY. Okay, this is where I bought puts if I'm on a 2-minute EWO. It has never, ever broke below VWAP, and the overall trend has been down, right? 2-minute
Yes.
EWO have just been printing all day, right?
It's just the option killer candles like the one happening right now. That's what it is.
You guys know my rule. I'm glad you said that. Now look, isn't this a beautiful gamma right here? A nice candle to sell some. Isn't this the candle where I would want to sell some? This is where I want to take a little bit off. And right here is a bounce. So you already knew, but you guys know I love to, now this is scalping, not 2-minute EWO. But on candles that give me a ton of money, just like stepping on the gas pedal, I love to take some off on those areas. But for everybody else, this is just easy breezy, lemon squeezy, doing what it needs to do, right? Did never broken held. I want you guys to look at this too. This is what freaks people out. This is where you guys lose money and you continue to do it. Can you guys see this right here?
Yeah, it wicked through, but it never held above it.
Yeah, but everybody in this room would freak out if you're doing a 2-minute EWO. Am I right, everybody?
It
Yes.
scared me out. I'm not gonna lie, because
Yeah.
it wicked above
And
twice.
that's not, and that we don't do that in here anymore, right? I don't care if it comes through. I don't care, right? Remember, it has to break through and hold. Are any of these a breakthrough and hold with a confirmation candle next to it to show you more? No. So why would we ever get out on any of these, especially on a downtrend? Look at this. I mean, this is just glorious, right?
Yeah, I'm mad at myself on this one, coach. That's my first mistake this week. Been doing so good too.
That's all right. I need you to write down in your journal. The only thing that is the most important thing to you in your journal is why you got out when it did that, right?
I already wrote it down. I got it. Wicked above VWAP, didn't break and hold, but still got out of puts.
Yep, it scared you out. Because those are the money makers, let's be honest, right? Because right now, the difference between barely made money or break even was the fact you got out. Because this was the payday, right? This was actually the profit spot, right? And this is
Yeah,
where,
I know. That's why I was mad. I was like, God, I got out literally 2 minutes too early.
Yep.
Literally. And then it pulled.
And for everybody else too, right? So if this is our candle to get in, this is flat, this is flat. This right here is 50%. Come up, bounce, come back down. Right here is 20%. You guys see where I'm getting them out?
On the pullbacks.
Yep. Notice I did not do it here. This is my entry, right? I want you to look at this. It's not like I get in this candle and it pulls back and I get rid of 50%. That's not how it works, is it? This is the initial entry, everyone, and it never broke above VWAP. There was no reason to get out. Then it came down, went flat. That is no reason to sell. It came down, and what do you know? What does this candle mean?
Sell 50%.
Yup. Does everybody see it? Then it popped up. It came back. What does this candle mean?
Sell 20%.
Yup. Are you guys starting to get this?
Now it's doing it again.
So if everybody looks, if you bought here, this is profit, and now you've only got 30% left. So even if it came back and broke through VWAP, you've already made your money. Are we all on the same page?
Yep, I'm with you.
Yes?
Got it.
Okay.
Yes,
Good.
coach.
Good.